Hey there friends, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can add effects to your clips in CapCut. So I've got a short dance clip here that I'm just going to drag over into my timeline. And let's say I want to add an effect to the person dancing to really add some dramatic effect. To do so, let's navigate to the effects tab, which you can find here near the top, and then you can choose between some video effects and transitions and some body effects. In this case, I want to add a body effect, specifically some outlines for the person in the video. So let's look for something that suits my needs. Maybe something like this. Let's go ahead and play. And there we go. All you have to do to add your effect is drag and drop it onto the clip you want to add it to. And then if you look here at the right hand side, you can also change some of the effects parameters. Stuff like the texture, the size, the range, and the atmosphere. There we go. So I think that looks really nice. And that's all I was planning to add to this specific clip. Feel free to experiment with some of the other effects that is available in CapCut Studio, and I'm sure you'll find something you like as well. So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.